Hello everyone. Welcome back to a new video of Tech Helpline. You may be in a situation where you want to go ahead and change your password on Snapchat. Luckily for you, it's a very easy and basic process. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password in Snapchat. So first you need to open up your Snapchat application just like this and go on your profile section. Click on the little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on the password option right there and that will take you to this page. To set a new password, please enter your current password. After you enter your current password, it will take you to the next page where you can set a new password by using a combination of lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your new password by re-entering it and then click on Save. That's how you can change your Snapchat password quickly and easily. Hope you liked the video. If you have any thoughts or queries, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.